How to make money with AI-generated merch on Printful, no design skills. Print on demand is one of the most accessible e-commerce models. You design products, Printful prints, and ships them when someone orders. No inventory. No upfront costs. With AI design tools, you can create professional designs for t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, and more, no artistic skills required. In this guide, I will show you exactly how. Why print on demand works in 2026. Zero inventory risk. Products are made only when ordered. Low startup cost. You can start with $0. AI-powered design. Create professional designs without hiring artists. Passive income potential. Once listed, products can sell while you sleep. Step 1. Choose your print-on-demand platform. Printful is best for beginners. High quality, wide product range. Integrates with etc., Shopify, WooCommerce. Free to start. Printify is an alternative. Lower prices, multiple suppliers, more product options. Redbubble is the easiest with a built-in marketplace. No store needed. Just upload and sell. Lower profit margins but less work. Step 2, choose your niche. Generic designs do not sell. Specific niches do. Here are profitable niches for 2026. AI themed. I asked ChatGPT and it said, robot designs, tech humor. Side hustle and entrepreneur. Hustle mode on, building my empire. Niche hobbies. Gardening, knitting, fishing, gaming, fitness. Pet lovers. Dog and cat designs. Use AI for custom portraits. Funny work from home. On mute but judging you. My webcam is broken. Teachers and educators. I became a teacher for the apples. Step 3, create designs with AI, no skills required. Use Leonardo.ai for free or Bing Image Creator for free. Prompt template for t-shirt designs. A style design for a t-shirt. The design should feature a subject with colors. Include a text slogan in a font style. Transparent background. Vector style. Minimalist. Example prompts. A minimalist t-shirt design featuring a robot and a coffee cup. Colors black and white only. Include the text AI runs on caffeine in a bold sans serif font. Transparent background. Vector style. A vintage style t-shirt design featuring a mountain and a tent. Colors earth tones. Include the text hustle mode in a retro font. Transparent background. A cute t-shirt design featuring a cat with glasses reading a book. Colors pastel. Include the text bookworm in a handwritten font. Transparent background. Step 4, prepare your design for Printful. Requirements. PNG file with transparent background. 300 dpi resolution. Size at least 4500 by 5400 pixels for t-shirts. Color mode sRGB. How to prepare. Generate your design in Leonardo or Bing. Remove background in Canva for free. Upscale to 300 dpi using upscale.media for free. Add text overlays in Canva if needed. Export as PNG with transparent background. Step 5, create your product in Printful. Create a Printful account for free. Click Add Product. Choose a product like t-shirt, hoodie, or mug. Upload your design. Choose colors and sizes. Set your price. Connect to etc. or Shopify or use Printful Marketplace. Publish. Step 6, price your products. Pricing formula. Product cost plus your profit equals final price. Suggested profit margins. T-shirt at $10 to $15 profit. Sell at $25 to $30. Hoodie at $15 to $20 profit. Sell at $45 to $55. Mug at $8 to $12 profit. Sell at $15 to $20. Sticker at $2 to $3 profit. Sell at $3 to $5. Step 7, create your Etsy or Shopify store. Option A is Etsy, easiest with built-in traffic. Create an Etsy shop free to start. Connect Printful to Etsy with one-click integration. Products automatically sync. Option B is Shopify, more control. Create a Shopify store at $29 per month after trial. Install Printful app. Products automatically sync. Option C is Redbubble, no store needed. Create a Redbubble account. Upload your design. Choose which products to put it on. Set your margin at 20 to 30%. Publish. Realistic earnings timeline. Month 1. Upload 10 to 20 designs. 0 to 5 sales. 0 to $50. Months 2 to 3. 10 to 30 sales. $50 to $300. Months 4 to 6. 50 to 150 sales. $300 to $1,000. Month 6 to 12. 200 to 500 sales. $1,000 to $3,000 or more. How to promote your merch with free methods. Pinterest. Create pins of your designs. Use keywords in descriptions. Pinterest is a visual search engine, perfect for merch. Instagram and TikTok. Post videos of you creating the design with a screen recording of AI generation. Use relevant hashtags. Facebook groups. Join niche groups related to your designs. Become a helpful member. Share your store when allowed. Twitter or X, share your designs with threads. Say, I designed this t-shirt using AI. What do you think? Common mistakes to avoid. Copyright infringement. Do not use trademarked characters, quotes, or logos. No Disney, no Nike, no Taylor Swift lyrics. Poor mock-ups. Use Printful Mockup Generator. Do not upload raw designs without showing them on products. Ignoring SEO. Use relevant keywords in your titles, tags, and descriptions. Only selling t-shirts. Stickers have higher profit margins and lower shipping costs. Sell multiple products. FAQ. Do I need a business license? Not to start. Most beginners operate as sole proprietors. Check your local requirements after you start making consistent sales. How do I handle returns? Printful handles printing and shipping issues. You are responsible for design-related returns. Can I use the same design on multiple products? Yes. Upload once and apply to t-shirts, stickers, mugs, phone cases, and more. Conclusion. Print on demand with AI is one of the most beginner-friendly e-commerce models. With AI design tools, you do not need artistic skills. Your action plan. Pick a niche. Generate 5 designs in Leonardo. Create a Printful account. Upload your designs to t-shirts. Connect to Etsy. Your first sale could come this week. For more, visit our website. Please subscribe, like, and share.